Hello, my name is Stanley Ugagbe and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in the Nigerian political terrain. I tell you, just yesterday, there was another blockbuster development from the corridors of power, and people are asking, people are saying, and some are even wondering that is this how we are going to continue as a nation? I tell you, in just 2 years in office, President Bola Tinubu has named/renamed at least 6 major edifices/institutions after himself. I take that again. In just 2 years in office, President Tinubu has named/renamed at least 6 edifices after himself, and people are asking, is this how we are going to continue? Why is the man so much concerned about immortalizing himself when he is barely 2 years in office? Just so that I can get the names correctly, I will read out some of them, or rather all of them, so that you can also be carried along on what is going on in Nigeria. 1. Bola Tinubu Barracks, Abuja. 2. Bola Tinubu Technology Innovation Complex, Abuja. 3. Bola Tinubu Polytechnic, Abuja. 4. Bola Tinubu Way, Abuja. 5. The National Assembly Library is now renamed the Senator Bola Tinubu Building. And guess what? Just yesterday, which is the 6th one, the International Conference Center was renamed as Bola Tinubu International Conference Center. And people are wondering what exactly is going on. Why is the man so much interested in naming and renaming public institutions, public edifices after himself? What has he actually done to merit all of these that he's doing? Is that what is important to him and of course those that are around him? And at the way he's going, I won't be surprised if the APC is renamed as Bola Ahmed Progressive Congress. I won't even be surprised if every Nigerian home starts renaming their children, their loved ones, even their enemies as Bola. And then you ask yourself, to what end? How does this, solve the issues, the numerous issues militating against this nation, economic issues, security issues, what have you, unemployment, health issues, and a host of them. But what do we get? The president is rather concerned about renaming edifices about himself. And I tell you, President Bola Tinubu, it's not about you doing this for yourself, or it is not even about your praise singers doing this for yourself. Truly, if you do well, if you have done well, and if you will do well, the people will name so many things after you, and you wouldn't have to rename these institutions after yourself. And I am just afraid that if we continue like this, if the president eventually completes 8 years in office, only God knows the number of public institutions, edifices that he would have named after himself. President Tinubu, Nigerians are hungry. President Tinubu, Nigerians are hungry. President Tinubu, Nigerians are hungry.